starting my vlog with me. Hi, Mama. Say cheese. Say cheese, Mama. Say hi. Hi. Y'all, I'm at Soti's house, and that's Jasmine Sotoye's daughter. Lily Jane is over there eating. Soti, I mean, you have not said anything about my hair. You see why I don't want to tell you?
I was focusing on the rice now.
She's cooking rice. This one rice. This is my first time showing off my hair to any of my friends. I actually want to get your reaction, but I already spoiled it, and she called me on FaceTime. Actually, I have not told you. She didn't even see when I cut it. By the time she left, I have not even cut the hair. So this is
Are you
first time. Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah, fine now, hot girl. See her now in the background. It's your Did you buy this shirt from me?
Yes, no.
Oh, okay, Tricksters. Oh, beautiful.
Thanks.
So, what do you think about my hair?
Beautiful, fantastic, fantabulous. It actually fits you so well.
Oh, really? Thank
It
you.
brings your face.
You like it, Abby Blessing? I like it. I beg, it's something different.
And it's free.
Yes.
Honestly, hair is something else.
I know.
And money you go spend
Money.
every at least twice a month.
Twice a month you must make something. Even with wig self, you still have to what they call it, cornrow. At least I'll carry this one for maybe 6 months before I realize that maybe I want to go back to long hair. Man's needs are insatiable. Woo! Rice is ready. Want to film? And yeah, I'm feeling my makeup so much. Did I even welcome people to this vlog? I just kept on talking. Welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Chantel. Apologies for my rudeness. Jazzy, what's the name of your baby? This baby, she has been telling me sorry since. Let me see, baby. Why do you cover baby's face? Baby is not breathing. Good girl. What's baby's name? LJ. LJ. No, not LJ. LJ is your real sister. Mama. Wear her net. Hey, you can go die.
See, I brought
Baby will choke. Wear her glasses. Oh.
She's proud of her. Hey guys.
What's up? Oh yeah, finally.
Hi.
You look so good.
Thank you.
Hi.
That is great to be a YouTube. Have you changed your mic? Or you just removed the you changed it? Okay.
I have like 3. So.
Are you serious? My camera doesn't have mic
This thing.
So maybe I'll even put my memory card in your own now. We'll use your own.
I can use your phone.
Maybe I phone to vlog.
Oh, okay. This your hair is getting old. It's getting finer. Yeah.
The best thing I did was relaxing my hair.
I know, right?
Okay. This natural
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Chantel here. If you're just seeing me for the first time, and I have a guest, Sotoye.
Hey
over
guys.
to you.
Hey
do
guys.
faster because
hey y'all.
I'm hungry.
Hey Chantel White. So these people dead leave. How you guys doing?
You come on my channel and be flexing muscle.
Welcome
Don't
back to
subscribe
our channel. It's been long. Don't mind this woman. Ask her where she has been. She will tell you.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yo, have you seen my new hair? I know I did a vlog where I cut my hair, but I've not filmed any video with the cut hair. So this is my
Should I
first
cut
one.
my own hair? What do you guys think?
That shows how special she is to me. So
Yeah. Because of her hair.
Because I'm coming here and I'm doing a collaboration with my new hair. I should have done a video on my own channel alone.
This hair will bring gold. The way I did this hair, it was bring gold.
How do I
guys,
look though?
you look beautiful.
Thank you.
She did eyeshadow for me. Okay.
That doesn't like eyeshadow that much.
Yeah, she did. Yeah. So yeah, my name is Sotoye. My YouTube channel is Sotoye. And yeah, you've seen me before. I'm sure a lot of you have, but it's been a while. I had to go and born. And I'm back.
She's back.
Like I never left. Okay.
Let me pour my drink.
Okay.
Yo, we have a video on her channel.
Yes.
That we both filmed. I just said we have a video. Yes. We
Yes.
have a video on that.
It's
so
very
please go there and watch it. Very
interesting. Anytime we are
interesting.
together, we're always
laughing like goats. So today's video is a mukbang, as you can tell already.
Yes.
I'm trying to open my choice.
some fried rice.
Yeah,
Okay.
made some
Delicious
Let me even give them the backstory of this rice. It's after I finished watching your vlog. Shameless me went on the comment
You have to
section.
beg.
I beg. I say you have to make this
The
rice
fried
for me
rice.
as I'm coming to your house. That's
So
where
yes, I
it
regretted the
was
fried
perfect.
rice. Okay, so we have rice, fried rice, we have chicken, we have
Let's show them.
coleslaw. Yeah, delish. Want some of
Delish.
this? Come over.
This rice is small. Let me just manage.
We are watching our heights.
I'm not watching anything.
I say heights.
Okay, height. Okay,
It's
no,
just
wait.
heights.
Okay. You are too much.
The rice, I say I'm too much.
Eh. Wait,
The
first,
rice will die.
No. Hold up with that rice. I want to tell my subscribers how special they are. They
You guys
are
actually
so
love it.
amazing.
A lot of positivity on her channel.
So much positivity. I love yours so much. So back to the rice. Yes, it's nice. Let me try it. Sha. We're done filming and I'm about leaving. I just put off my first video in over a month. I'm trying to look at it. If you haven't watched, I'll leave it linked in the cards. I feel so weird. Like I even forgot the time for posting. Yeah. She's sleeping again. No, she's sorry.
Hi.
I'm about leaving. Thank you for lunch. It was
looking at the
nice.
viewfinder?
Because you're
I'm
vain.
looking nice.
You're very vain.
Well, are we tired? I'm
I'm about leaving.
Who wanted to do? Contemplated doing
Another video, but
I feel
my
like we
mom
would
is
have,
calling
but
me.
this girl is a superstar. Phone has been ringing. Family, per second.
Yes.
We are calling her.
I'm fine, Sha. See how fresh. If I live abroad, people will not know me.
Please send me this as thumbnail for this vlog. This part where we are smiling.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yes, I was going to say something. This Sotoye. Why is it that anytime you vlog me or you take pictures of me, you're always fine? I look like a homeless individual. That's how your other vlog. At first, I looked pregnant. I said, "What is going on?" That's how the other one you put up my slip and shop. See, as I did like bouncer inside the thumbnail.
Wait,
One because it always happens.
It was not deliberate.
Try and learn my angle. See how we are fine. Now you're fine. I'm fine. Come and carry the word. Just look this thing. I said, "Sha, it's not me. I
You
don't
not keep
care."
your face well now. We are taking thumbnail picture. Cheese. Yes, that's it.
Hey y'all, good evening actually. So this is like weeks after the last footage you just saw. The day Soti and I filmed the footage from her end, her own, the audio was bad, so we had to refilm it. I came to her house today, see her there. Came to her house there, we filmed again, even though Devin wanted to walk. So many things happened. When we filmed her video, we noticed there was no audio, we had to refilm it again. It was just so stressful. I haven't eaten anything all day. Okay, I think I drank a bottle of juice in her house. But aside that, your girl has not eaten. We planned brunch. Today is a Sunday, but we couldn't make it early. This is 5:35. I'll be 5:45 actually. So we are here for early dinner because it's not brunch again. Late lunch, early dinner. We're at Beacon, Boys Company of something. I don't know.
Of Nigeria.
Oh yeah. So it's my first time here. You're not in focus. Okay.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
So it's my first time here and I want to see what's going on. Do you mind? I really don't care. When people...
Wait.
Oh, really? So, yeah. We're here. This is what it looks like. We're going out to eat now. I'm so famished. I'm hungry. Hungry, they cash me. Talk to you later.